Saving money feels hard, stressful, and sometimes impossible. But what if you could save money without sacrificing your happiness? Have you ever tried budgeting and failed? Felt guilty after spending money? You're not alone. Most people don't fail at saving because they're bad with money. They fail because they ignore their emotions. Today, you'll learn the soft saving strategy, a smarter way to manage money without stress. Hi everyone, welcome to Richer Guide. If you want practical money advice in simple language, you're in the right place. Let's start building wealth the smart way. Soft saving is about balance. Instead of strict rules, it focuses on flexibility, awareness, and consistency. You don't need to save everything, you just need to save smartly. Most people spend emotionally, not logically. Strict budgets feel like punishment and people quit. People now choose peace over pressure. Your habits matter more than your income. Even small savings matter. Spend on what truly matters. Consistency beats perfection. Enjoy today, secure tomorrow. Track your spending. Save what you can, consistently. Keep money for happiness. Automate your savings. Progress matters more than perfection. Here's the difference. One person quits, one stays consistent. Consistency wins. Avoid these mistakes. Money should support your life, not control it. Start small, stay consistent, build wealth without stress. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe for smart money tips and share this video. New videos every week. Visit richerguide.com. Thanks for watching.